The global electric vehicle market is projected to reach 14 million units by 2027, with EV gigafactories playing a crucial role in meeting this demand. As of 2026, there are over 200 electron-volt gigafactories under construction worldwide, with a combined production capacity of 12.8 TWh. A key component in these facilities is the use of autonomous mobile robots, or AMRs. In 2025, the AMR market in EV gigafactories reached $245 million, with an expected growth rate of 23.4% annually from 2026 to 2030. This growth can be attributed to the increasing adoption of Industry 4.0 technologies in manufacturing, as well as the need for improved efficiency and reduced labor costs. The average EV gigafactory utilizes around 150 AMRs, with each robot capable of operating for up to 20 hours per day. Data analysis from the top 5 EV gigafactory operators reveals that AMRs are primarily used for material handling, accounting for 67% of all AMR applications. This is followed by inspection and quality control at 21% and logistics management at 12%. The use of AMRs has resulted in a 35% reduction in production time and a 27% decrease in labor costs for these facilities. Furthermore, the implementation of AMRs has also led to a 19% reduction in accidents and a 15% decrease in product defects. According to Dr. Rachel Kim, a leading expert in industrial automation, the integration of AMRs in EV gigafactories has been a game-changer for the industry. By leveraging machine learning and artificial intelligence, AMRs can optimize production workflows, improve product quality, and enhance worker safety. As the demand for electric vehicles continues to grow, the role of AMRs in EV gigafactories will become increasingly important. In conclusion, the use of autonomous mobile robots in EV gigafactories is a trend that is here to stay. With the global AMR market expected to reach $1.3 billion by 2030, it is clear that these robots will play a vital role in shaping the future of electric vehicle production. As the industry continues to evolve, it is essential to stay informed about the latest developments and trends. Subscribe to Evtrix for real EV data.